Hi guys, this is me hajra.vadhariya and welcome back to another video. Today I am doing one of my highly requested videos of this palette right here, which is from Miss Rose. Now this is not a copy of Huda Beauty because ये अपने brand name के साथ ही ये palette sell कर रहे हैं. It is inspired by the Nude Pallete of Huda Beauty और बहुत सारे लोग comparison चाह रहे थे. So I'm going to be creating a look on my eyes today in front of you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already. So let's get started. So guys, for this I am first digging into these two colors to create my transition. So I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush to do that, which is an angled blending brush. So as you can see, I'm just putting it into my crease, but I cannot really see anything in the first go. I don't see any color. So definitely for the pigment, I need to dig in properly to get the right amount of pigment. So yeah, but once I dig in nicely, you can see I can now see the color and it looks pretty. Also, these mattes are blending really nicely. Now I don't have the original Huda Beauty nude palette because I never bought it, but I can review the formula of this palette. So for the price point, I do like the mattes formula. It's not like highly pigmented, but it is pigmented if you dig in nicely. Now I'm just taking a little darker shade to create a little bit depth in my crease. If you guys know, I was getting ready for my brother's musical night, cousin night, mehendi, whatever you call it. So I thought, why not use this palette and create a video for you guys, which you guys wanted for so long. I was so busy, but I finally got out some time for you guys. So yeah, I really like the matte shades. हाँ, बहुत extra pigment नहीं है, but if you dig in, it's nice. Like for the price point of the palette, which is like 1000 or 800 something, which is, so for that it's really nice. Now I'm taking a lighter color and I'm transiting the dark shade. You can see the matte colors look really pretty, and I was pretty happy with the matte formula. So I'm just trying to adjust my transition and so that everything looks brightened up. अगर आपका transition अच्छा हो तो सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है. Now I am using a flat brush and I'll be using this concealer, which excites me so much. So I'm gonna be cutting my crease with this, and this product was really nice and creamy. I was really happy with the formula of the concealer as well. So I guess it's like a good investment if you want this palette which has such colors which looks so gorgeous. Mattes and concealers, thumbs up, I like it. So as you can see, I'm just quickly cutting the crease, और मैं इसके ऊपर ही shimmers और glitters use करूँगी. Now for the look that I wanted for that day, मैंने glitter shades नहीं use किए हैं क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा pigment और बहुत ज़्यादा glittery look नहीं चाहिए था. I wanted nice shimmery shiny looking eye. So मैंने बाकी के shimmers use किए हैं, which are their pearl shimmers. So I will first swatch all the pearl shimmer for you guys, but you can see it just gives like a very pretty wet look, but it's not that pigmented. The only thing that I was not happy about was these pearl shimmers, जिनको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जब dig in करी हूँ, जब जाके भी इतना दिख रहे हैं. They were not pigmented at all. बहुत dig in करने के बाद you get this pigment, और ये आपके finger पे तो दिख रही है, ये eyes पे और भी soft दिख रहा था. So I'm gonna be using these two colors right here. I'm gonna mix these two, which will complement my dress. So let's try them on. So first I just went on with my fingers because fingers से ही ये better लगते हैं, brush से तो और बुरे लगते. I mean और बुरे in a sense कि वो उनकी pigment और कम आती. But literally fingers से भी I was not happy of how they performed. मतलब they were नॉट दैट पिगमेंटेड. और अगर आपको कोई सॉफ्टर वेट लुक चाहिए शिमर से तो ये बिल्कुल ठीक रहेंगे उस for such a look. I also tried using a brush, then I also sprayed some Fix Plus on my brush ताकि इसकी पिगमेंट और ज़्यादा दिखे. So you see I'm just spraying some MAC Fix Plus. लेकिन उससे हाँ फ़र्क तो पड़ा था. I won't say कि फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ा, नहीं फ़र्क आया था. But again it was not as shiny and reflective as I want it to. I didn't want the glitter effect but I wanted the shimmer to shine well. So काफ़ी से ट्राई करने के बाद I had to move on and I then used heng feng के लिक्विड ग्लिटर्स और मैंने वो हल्के हल्के लगा के और इन शेड के साथ मिक्स करके अपने लुक को जैसे तैसे कंप्लीट कर लिया था. बिकॉज इट वाज एन इवेंट आई नीड टू अटेंड, तो मुझे ग्लिटर यूज़ करना पड़ा और थोड़ा सा हैंग फैंग का. सो यू कैन सी कि आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट टू क्रिएट अ लुक और ये बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. काफ़ी मेहनत के बाद ये अच्छा तो लग रहा है बट इट्स गिविंग लिटिल सॉफ्ट लुक. ये पिगमेंटेड इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है तो सॉफ्ट लुक के लिए तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि हाँ आप ये यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड फॉर द प्राइस पॉइंट आई रियली लव द कंसीलर एंड द मैट शेड्स एंड दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स प्रिटी इफ़ यू पुट सम एफर्ट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इस प्राइस पॉइंट में आपको और क्या मिल सकता है. So if you need something like this, I would recommend it to you definitely. But मुझे इस लुक के लिए जो है शिमर थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहिए था इसलिए मैंने फिर हैंग फैंग के ये ग्लिटर्स यूज़ किए. दिस पैलेट एंड हैंग फैंग ग्लिटर्स बोथ आर अवेलेबल ऑन सादिया कॉस्मेटिक्स इफ़ यू गाइज want to buy them. और मैंने ये वाला प्रिटी सा शेड यूज़ किया which was complementing my dress और ये मैंने हल्का हल्का लगाया. मैंने पहले शिमर शैडो भी लगाया हुआ है और मैंने हैंग फैंग के ग्लिटर को उसके साथ मिक्स किया एंड यू कैन सी द शाइन दैट आई वांटेड. It looks so good, you guys. These heng feng glitters are bomb and they are so cheap and they are so good. So बस ये मैंने हल्के हल्के से कर रही हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं लगा रही बिकॉज एक्स्ट्रा ग्लिटरी वाला लुक नहीं करना था मुझे. But I wanted my eyes to look attractive because for the event I was again in niqab and hijab. So I wanted my eyes to stand out really nicely since it was my brother's event. So definitely duh. So coming back to the palette, I would say for now for the look I'm just putting the glitter nicely and yeah. But the palette, I do like the formula of the palette. The shimmers are a little tough to work with but if you do put some effort तो वो अच्छे तो लगते हैं but वो इतने ज़्यादा reflective नहीं है जितना मुझे चाहिए थे for this look. So yeah, I'm just using the hang feng ones और मैं अपने level इस look के level को आगे ले जा रही हूँ थोड़ा सा. I love how the look turned out और I am just getting you guys a little closer ताकि आपको अच्छे से दिखे. मैं थोड़ा सा लगा के उसको शिमर वाले शेड के साथ ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ ताकि रिफ्लेक्टिव भी लगे और बहुत ग्लिटरी चंकी भी ना लगे. So yeah, that's almost it for this eyeshadow look or I guess yeah. Now I will be doing a wing liner quickly off camera and I will come back. Now using Marc Jacobs ka mascara quickly off camera and then I will tight line my eyes after putting the mascara. I'm using Maybelline का colossal kajal और इसी से मैं अपनी eyes को tight line करूँगी ताकि lashes अच्छे से लगें. I'm using the bonjour lashes from beautify by amna. ये बहुत ही प्यारी lashes हैं as you can see and that's pretty much it for this tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys find this helpful and please do follow me on my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already and I guess that's pretty much all with the look. I'm just getting guys closer to see how it looks. I am wearing the lenses from Bella. These are in the shade radiant brown because मुझे पता है सब लोग बाद में पूछेंगे इसलिए I just shared it. So I love these lenses by the way. इनकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. This is from their glow collection and the price is also really nice. The shade is radiant brown. I love the eye look. Also off camera मैंने थोड़ा highlighter भी लगा दिया था so you can see the glow is gorgeous and yeah, I guess that's pretty much all I have to say. So that's it. Please do like, comment down below all your thoughts and also any further requests if you want me to do any other video. Please do let me know in the comments down below and yeah, that's it. I love you guys. Take care and we'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.